väga ohtlikku ja fataalsesse ja palju sul oli Mart esimesel osalejaid? Ja täna on siis juba poole suurem seltskond siin merele minemas ja töö selle nimel, et sellest saaks Eesti kõige suurem süstasündmus. On Martin päris hästi õppinud.
Tänud Mart ja tervitused Aeroinspiratsiooni kuulevad teile kõigile. Väga lahe on näha, et tõesti võimas number paate meil täna vee peale minemas.
Kas annate kommentaari ka või? Või pingutate niisama? Naeratage siis kaamerasse ka paluks.
Like thunder from the sky, sworn to fight and die. We're warriors, warriors of the world. Many stand against us, but they will never win. We said we would return, and here we are again, to bring them all destruction, suffering and pain. We are the hammer of the gods. We are thunder, wind and rain. There they wait in fear, with swords in feeble hands, with dreams to be a king. First, what should be a man? I call them out and charge them all with a life that is a lie. And in their final hour they shall confess before they die. Brothers everywhere, raise your hands into the air. We're warriors, warriors of the world. Like thunder from the sky, sworn to fight and die. We're warriors, warriors of the world.
If I should fall in battle, my brothers who fight by my side, gather my horse and weapons, tell my family how I died. Until then I will be strong. I will fight for all that is real. All who stand in my way will die by steel. Brothers everywhere, raise your hands into the air. We're warriors, warriors
oled või?
peaasi, et tegi ivaritsast. Suu ei ole tähtis.